Hi everyone and welcome for the last video of this Pride Month series, which is going to be a queer straight pour, if something like that even exists. So we are playing on a 30 by 30 centimeter canvas again, and what we're doing today is using again the rainbow colors, but I was asked a couple of times what happens if I put some silicone in my ring pours. So this is something I normally do not really do, because this is something completely unpredictable when it comes to the final design. Silicone always has its own head, actually like resin. So I never really put silicone in my paints when I'm going to make something like a ring pour or a straight pour or a puddle pour, you know? So but I did this time, and I wanted to make it a bit lighter, so like a pastel look. Meaning I used a lot of white, and between each of the layers of white I put a rainbow color. This will muten down the entire thing quite a bit. It will not be overloaded colorful, and I'm really curious how this one is going to turn out. I hope you enjoyed the music. So what you can see on the canvas now is pretty much looking as the regular designs that I get when I make these pours. You know, it's kind of cute, it's kind of pleasing to look at, and as predicted in the beginning, it is pretty muted and pastel-like when it comes to the colors itself, which I really like. But I cannot leave it as it is now, because as there is silicone in there, although I would have liked the result as it looks now, you can already see that some of the areas have some silicone popping through, and this is going to get even worse. So if I do not touch it and put it aside, let it dry, more and more of these little cell clusters are going to pop up, and it might really look kind of weird in the end, because there is no overall shape and design anymore. Those single cells are going to grow larger and larger, and probably some smaller cells are going to pop up, but really randomly. So what I'm going to do here now is to torch it, and when I'm going to torch this one, this will be kind of cell explosion. So for those of you who are really enjoying seeing how cells are popping up, this might be your video. Because I'm going to get a million tiny cells. Tiny cells because the silicone is pretty much intermixed within each of the paints, and the paints are not as thick anyways, and the paints even intermixed while pouring. So this is the reason why I have so many tiny cells. If you want to have larger cells, just do not mix the silicone as much into your paints. So just leave it a bit unstirred and then you get larger cells. But on the downside, it will be more uncontrollable as well. So this is the end result. I really like it, although it's pretty muted. I put a layer of satin varnish on there because my gloss varnish was empty anyways, and as it was pastel already, it kind of perfectly fits to the topic. But yeah, I normally go for brighter and higher contrast colors and color palettes, but I really like it, and I cannot wait to hear what you think about it, if you like it, if you perhaps have a spot in your home where you would like to hang it. If so, pay my Etsy shop a visit and see if there is something that you would like to adopt. I would really be happy and proud if I could find a new home for some of my pieces. And yeah, leave me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Add a comment if you have any questions or just want to leave me a comment. Subscribe if you have not done already, this would really mean a lot to me as well. And if you are new to my channel and have not seen so many of my videos yet, there is a playlist which is called Awesome Results, which I consider to be awesome results. So I would recommend you start off with this playlist just to get a feeling about my channel and what you can find on here. It's a mixed thing between realism, painting, drawing, acrylics, oil paints, pastels, charcoal, colored pencil, and a lot of acrylic pouring and resin artwork. So have a look around and click the bell icon to get notifications when I upload my next videos. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.